Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling everything so you can move quickly. Lay out the mum, filler blooms, wire, tape, and backing. First, strip lower leaves and cut stems to 1-2. This short length keeps the profile neat. Next, wire each focal bloom through the base of the calyx using 1824 gauge wire, loop and secure with floral tape. This creates stable shanks. Once done, group the wired flowers into a compact cluster and hold them against the backing to now focus on volume. Insert greenery and small filler stems around the cluster, rotating the assembly as you add so petals radiate evenly. Make sure to overlap each new stem slightly to hide wire joints. Wrap the whole assembly with floral tape in a firm spiral to lock shape. Once compact, place the cluster on the backing, glue at contact points, and reinforce with stitching or a second strip of tape. Then create ribbon loops and glue, or pin them behind the mum for visual balance. Finish by trimming stray wires and securing the pin or clip to the backing. Glue and then stitch through the backing and tape for redundancy so it withstands movement. Test the mum on fabric. Make sure it sits flat and the weight is balanced. Adjust ribbon or add padding under heavy areas. If petals wilt or pieces come loose, add a small water pick for fresh flowers or replace problematic stems. Remember, small touch-ups with glue and tape fix most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.